Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Is WhatsApp using your mobile data to automatically download photos, videos, audio, or documents? This can quickly eat up your data plan without you realizing it, especially if you are part of active groups. Let me show you how to stop it. Open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Storage and Data. Under Media Auto Download, you will see options for photos, audio, videos, and documents. Tap on when using mobile data and uncheck all the options. Now WhatsApp will only download media automatically when connected to Wi-Fi. If you want, you can customize this to allow certain media types on mobile data, but it's safer to turn everything off. This also prevents large files from downloading in the background and slowing down your phone. Now WhatsApp will stop using your mobile data for automatic downloads. This will save your data and give you more control over storage and downloads. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more WhatsApp tips.